If you like pina coladas, get caught in the rain.
Hey there, stranger. Looks like you've been in a brawl.
Yeah. It's been a long night.
Why don't you pull up a chair? Tell me all about it.
You got all night?
No, I got about 3 to 5 minutes.
Well, to tell this story, we need to start from the beginning. The very beginning. I remember it clearly. I was making my way home from a nice lunch at some champagne bar. I remember when I used to love this city. Now I walk through these streets, all I see is the shattered lives of its lowly inhabitants. Like a once dry sponge that has since become moist with the tears of injustice. That's when my city pushed me to the very brink. Then I knew what needed to be done. I got to work straight away. I was finally ready. Double yellow lines, a violation of the highway code.
What do you want?
Justice. Captain Justice.
What?
That was amazing. You're basically God.
I know.
Teach me.
No.
Please.
Okay. I don't know what urged me to do it. Maybe I saw something in her. You're ready. Maybe myself.
Do you like my costume?
No.
Do you have a weapon I can use?
Yes, I do.
It's perfect.
Yo, man, you going to the meet later?
Yo, man, for real?
Yo, there's gonna be so many gangbanging dealers there, man.
Where is it?
Yo, to the place, man. Let's go.
Where are they going?
I know.
What are we going to do?
I know.
Let's go.
Okay.
It's them.
So that's it. The end of my story. A long road going nowhere. I guess the city's never gonna change.
Now, hold up a second. Now, I don't know much about these sort of things, but I've been around these streets for a long time, and I've seen them grow and change. You just can't give up on them. They will chew you up and spit you out. But sometimes, doing the right thing is the only thing you can do. Just bear that in mind.
You're right. Instead of running away from danger, I should run towards it.
No, that's not what I meant.
Thanks, barkeep. At long last, I see that fear is just a state of mind, and that it takes true courage to face your demons. And with the power of self-belief, I am invincible. Came in last night at 10:30. The baby of mine wouldn't let me in, so move it on over. Scoot it on over. Move over, little dog, 'cause the fat dog's moving in. She came back to me on her knees, heart beat busy, scratching fleas.